Oh, you have ears like me. I'm not scared of that.
You scared of that? Oh, I want to pet you. I want to pet you. It is so cute.
You can pet me. I would let you.
Oh, pat, pat, pat. You gonna purr now?
For you, I'm gonna put on my hat.
My hat's better.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Nice. So what brings you on Omegle tonight?
I'm getting reactions for a YouTube video, naked on Omegle. Somebody said to me, I don't mean to offend you, but it looks like you're naked. I'm like, no shit, Sherlock.
I know, right? I'm just trying to show them pussy because all those crazy guys are trying to find it.
That's funny. I'm naked!
Nigga!
Why am I the only one topless?
I can be topless too if you want me to.
Okay, I made someone smile yesterday.
But you can't make me smile. You didn't have to do nothing. What the fuck? How many things do you have in your tongue?
2. I've been looking for my spider for the last week, but I finally found him today.
Your spider?
Do you want to see him?
No, I don't like spiders. I don't care. No. 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 Oh, it's fake.
Got ya.
This will give me a good, good opinion. What do you think about how I look?
You're slightly blurry, but you look pretty good to me.
That's kind of made me feel good. First girl on Omegle. Well, every time I look in the mirror, I cry.
Why?
Why? Because that's before I scream. Because I'm not sure who I'm looking at. And then I laugh. Because I realize it's me. Then I cry because I realize that I just screamed and I laughed at my own self. That was a joke. You want to see something small.
Does it have something to do with the penis?
You'll never know until you answer the question.
Okay. Do I need to know? My knife's bigger than yours.